friends, welcome to another pop quiz with 19 questions. You have only 5 seconds to answer each question. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel for more fun games just like this. Are you ready for this quiz? Let's go! How many states are there in Australia? Which of these animals don't live in the wild in Australia? Hickory trees produce which types of nuts? Which planet is known as the morning star as well as the evening star? What color skin does a polar bear have? A blue whale has a heart roughly the size of a what? What's the name of the region in California which is famous for its wines? A mongoose would typically feed on which of the following types of animal? Which country flag nicknamed the maple leaf? What's the capital of Canada? Which river is the longest in the world? What's the largest desert in the world? In which country would you find the Eiffel Tower? What's the smallest country in the world by area? Which US state is known as the Sunshine State? What's the highest mountain in Europe? Which city is known as the City of Canals? What's the official language of Brazil? Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? How many questions did you answer correctly? Share the result with me in comments. Now, pick your next challenge and don't forget to like and subscribe.